I can't recall buying John Barbados.
Oh yeah, they have the new ones up.
The other one is like a blue, light blue, I think.
Oh, they have Declaration online at Nordstrom.
Well, the one I showed you was on Nordstrom.
Yeah, the original.
Oh, they have the original?
Yeah, there's 3 online. Yeah, there's 3. There's Declaration, Essence, and then so I think.
How do you know which one is what?
It says, because there's the 3 different bottles. One is just Declaration, one is Essence. There's a blue one, and then there's the other one.
Sauvage, I've gone through some Sauvage.
Oh. Dior
That's by
Sauvage.
Dior, yeah. That's got a unique smell to it too. Which one was that? I think Invictus is the one that when I bought it, the only place that they had it, which I think it's odd, but I might be wrong, but I bought it from Sephora because that was the only place that they had it.
Well, that's interesting.
If I'm not mistaken, because why else would I go to Sephora and buy, because I couldn't find it anywhere, but Sephora had it.
I wonder if they had the launch lead.
Maybe.
Sometimes we, give one retailer the lead or an exclusive.
So, what else was there? Like the recent ones. Because I've gone through many different colognes. Question for you.
Yes.
There is online things where I can make car fresheners, but I need the oil, the essence oil.
Uh-huh.
Where would I find it typically? For, let's say, for example, for that cologne, John Barbados, would I be able to buy just the oil for it online, or any stores or anybody?
You can buy essential oils online, but specific to a certain cologne,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so.
No.
Because it's proprietary to the brand. Like we get all of our oils and ingredients and everything. We have perfumers that create all of our fragrances for us. So, like maybe from a perfume house, but I don't know if they would sell it. I don't know if they can.
Because that, like what part of the ingredients, I guess, is the oil to have. Because I was thinking, and I actually told our boss and the office, like it'd be cool to have like our logo in a logo shape, like a air freshener, and then have nice smell to it, not just the this common vanilla and all that. No, I want to have like a nice scent to it, cologne scent or something, or even for ladies perfumes or colognes, just to give out.
Oh, that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah, it'd be cool.
And then it's got your logo on it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't know where you would get the essential. I mean, there's companies that sell essential oils, but the type of ingredients in the oils that are used in perfumes. One thing that's really like with high-end fragrances, like the ones that you buy, the oils are really, really terrific ingredients.
They're not like something that you can easily buy somewhere.
No. And some fragrances have 100 ingredients in them. Just the whole.
Oh.